I keep my shit on cock. I got a Glock clip with 16 shots, make it for sure a nigga stop. I ain't no gimmick, believe me, this gangster image I portray when I'm on stage is as real as you can get it. You gotta feel it, on top of that gotta live it. Out of position, I put bullet holes in your fitted, nigga. Call me the Dawn, but I'm more like Saddam. I pass the order to my squad and it's off with your arms. I'm on some G shit, so ring the alarm. Might go psycho, threats of death are born. If anybody kill in here, the Grim Reaper's in the building when this nigga's in here. Yeah, sit back, unwrap the Dutch, put some reefer in the leaf, and now I'm sparking it up. Reminiscing on the way that it was. Late night down beach from writing names in blood.
Bad man no scared of policeman. It's a rude boy right there, oh. Bad man no scared of the policeman. Packing heat everywhere that we go. Bad man no scared of policeman. It's a rude boy right there, oh. Bad man no scared of the policeman. Packing heat everywhere that we go. Bad man no scared of policeman. It's a rude boy right there, oh. Bad man no scared of the policeman. Packing heat everywhere that we go. Bad man no scared of policeman. It's a rude boy right there, oh. Bad man no scared of the policeman. Packing heat everywhere that we go.